Good morning, children. Now we'll do question number 4, exercise 9.5. Simplify a square minus b square and whole square of this. Okay, so we'll use identity, children, a minus b whole square. Okay, a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, when we'll do comparison of this, you can see in place of a there is a square and in place of b there is b square. Okay, so we'll use identity and we'll put values here. A square, okay, a value of a is a square and then square of this, so we have put it here again square, minus 2a, in place of a value of a is a square and then b, value of b is b square, okay, plus b square, value of b I have put it here, then square of this, so again I have put it here square. Okay, now 2 multiply 2, okay, here a square and in after bracket there is also 2, so 2 plus 2 will become 4, so it is a to the power 4 minus 2 a square b square and plus b square and then it's again square, so it will become power 4, so that is b to the power 4. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 4 part 1. Then question number 4 part 2, 2x plus 5 whole square minus 2x minus 5 whole square. So students, here you can see we have to use two identities. One is a plus b whole square and here a minus b whole square. Okay, a plus b whole square is this one and a minus b whole square is this one. Okay, so in first we'll use first one identity and second one we'll use second identity. Okay, a square plus 2ab plus b square, here in place of a 2x, in place of b here it is 5. Okay, then minus sign, so we have put it here minus, then again we'll expand this using identity, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now 2 square of 2 is 4 x square plus 4 5 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20x, 5 square 25. Okay, then minus, we'll put here minus, then again square of this, square of 2 is 4, square of x is 4x square. Again when we'll multiply this, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20x, then 5 square is 25. Okay, now we'll open the bracket. So here no sign is mentioned here, here it means there is plus sign. So minus plus, this will become minus. This number we have written as it is. Okay, no changes are here. Then again minus minus plus and minus plus minus. Okay, now you can see this is 4x square, positive sign having a plus sign, and here 4x square having negative sign. So this will get cancelled. Okay, and this 25, this is plus 25 and this is minus 25, so this will also get cancelled. So now our answer is 20x plus 20x, so this will become 40x. Okay, so this was the part 2 question number 4. Now we'll see part 3 question number 4. Similarly we have to do, students, here a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square. Here we'll use two identities. In first one there is minus sign, so we'll use this one identity, and here it is plus sign, so we'll use second identity. Okay, now using identity we'll expand this bracket. So a square minus 2ab plus b square, and here it was plus sign, so we have put it here plus sign. Okay, now a plus b whole square, so a square plus 2ab plus b square. Students, in place of a there is 7m and in place of b there is 8n. Similarly same thing is here also. Now we'll open the brackets. Okay, so 7, square of 7 is 49, then square of m is m square. Okay, when we'll multiply this, 8 7s are 56, 56 2s are 112, m into n will become mn. 8 square of 8 is 64, n square. Then similarly we'll open this brackets. Okay, now You can see here it is negative minus 112 mn and here plus 112 mn. So this will get cancelled, okay, because they both are having opposite sign, okay, and rest of the terms will get added. 49 m square and here also plus 49 m square. So this will become 49 plus 49, 98 m square. 64 n square and here also 64 n square. So this will become 128 n square. So students, this was the solution of question number 4 part 3. Next remaining solution we will see in our next video. Till then, take care.